So he says, so backlinks won't show in Google Search Console aren't a big issue, although they are still effective without appearing in GSE. Yeah. I don't, like we said, we don't ever check Google Search Console for backlinks ever. Like
Unless there's like a spam issue or something, but even then I'm really not using it to do anything but browse.
yeah, I keep track of my backlinks in Ahrefs, but when it comes down to it, I don't really need to you don't really need to check your own backlinks in Ahrefs or anything really, unless you're just like curious if you're getting links from other, just natural links from people. But as link builders, like, I build all my own links. I'm not like counting on my site to get random links from other people. I mean, it's cool if they do. And sometimes I'll look in there and kind of poke around and just see what kind of links we've got naturally, because it's cool to see. But at the end of the day, you don't really need to know about them. To be honest, like,
Yeah.
as long as your site's doing well and your rankings are going up, there's no real benefit to going in there and seeing your links or whatever.
What would you say are the main things that you should be paying attention to?
Traffic, traffic and rankings.
Traffic, rankings, money, right?
Yeah,
Like
money.
the three building of the business.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
as far as just the SEO goes, yeah, absolutely. Just basically your rankings. Um, Nothing else really matters. You don't, it's something we used to do, or I used to do. I'm sure Nick did too. Everyone kind of
We
does
all
it in the
did.
beginning.
Yeah.
In the beginning, you're always looking at your backlinks. Like, when is it going to show up in Ahrefs? Why isn't it there yet? Why haven't my rankings moved? Or when's it going to show up? Because when it shows up, that's when it shows up, you think that when it shows up in Ahrefs, that's when it's really going to give you the benefit. But really, you're just kind of wasting your time, right? It just doesn't matter. Build the links. They're going to work. It might just take some time. You might have to build a good amount of them, because building just a link or two doesn't always do much. Just really depends on the competition and how old the site is and what else you have going on. But yeah, we don't check Google Search Console ever for backlinks. It doesn't matter if they show up in there or not. Just stick to what you know about building quality backlinks, right? Build them on quality sites and relevant articles. Yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it, right? Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Be sure to check the links below for more info on this topic, as well as other cool stuff like SEO case studies, our Facebook community, and our link building services. And like always, please like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Thanks, and happy ranking.